Damn it! How's it feel, Matt? It sucks waiting for it. Yeah.
Once you hear the first click, you're like, fuck. You gotta point the tag down. The liquid sprays out of it. Spray it at the thread and then let the fumes go back there.
Turn the fuck around. Did it hurt? See if there's a mark. Lift up your pants.
I can't, I gotta fucking...
I don't want to see your wiener.
Wait, no, let it build up.